Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friends. Today, you guys are probably thinking what I'm gonna make today. So today I'm making a potato with the spinach and peas, and it got some ingredient as well in there. Will go, so it will be very nice. So before I start, I'm gonna tell you which ingredient I'm gonna use in there. So shall we start? It's a potato, made a slice, small potato, and then spinach and peas. I'm gonna make it in butter, and it's gonna be a bit olive oil in there. So I'm gonna use a little bit red chili, because I'm gonna make hot with my green chili paste, and we're using coriander powder and some crushed black pepper, salt, got garam masala, you got red chili, and got some turmeric powder, got ginger paste, garlic paste, green chili paste, and I'm gonna use mint, fresh coriander, and tomatoes, and gonna some onion. Okay, I'm using one onion in there. Yeah. I'm gonna make a small pieces. Okay, this onion is done, right? So now I'm gonna put my pan on there. Now we're gonna put some butter, okay? And I'm going to put some olive oil in there. You can put in use any oil if you don't want to make in a butter. So, and if it's better if you use olive oil. This olive oil is good for health as well. Okay, now I'm gonna put onion in there. I'm gonna fry the onions, make it brown. When it get brown color, then I'm gonna put potato in there. Okay, friend, onion is a bit brown now, so I'm gonna put garlic and ginger paste. So what's happened when you put garlic and ginger paste? So it's gonna start cooking onion. Okay, it's 1 spoon is ginger and half spoon is garlic. On this spoon I'm gonna put the chili paste as well, about 1.5 spoon. Now I'm gonna mix this all together. Now I'm gonna put potato in there. My potatoes. This one is a bit bigger, so I'm gonna stop this. I will mix this together. So I'm going to put some water in there, a little bit water. So now I'm going to put some little bit water in there. mix it, and now I'm gonna put my masala as well. Now, okay, first I'm gonna put 1 spoon turmeric powder, put 2 spoon salt, 1 spoon I'm gonna put coriander powder, crushed black pepper, 1.5 spoon, crushed red chili, 1 spoon, garam masala, 1 spoon, and slightly I'm gonna put red chili for color. Now I'll mix this all, and then I'm gonna put tomatoes in there, and need to go mix herb as well in there. Yeah? Mix herb to make a very nice flavor. So okay, I'm gonna put tomato in there now. We're gonna make it a thin slice. Okay, it's 2 tomatoes. I'm gonna put in there. Mix it together. Okay, friend, you can see already this color. So now I'm gonna put a mix herb in there. Okay, this is a dry mix herb. Not much, just a half a spoon. So it will give you very nice flavor. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all. And I'm going to put a bit more butter in there. Let me put my butter. It's a small piece of butter is going. Put lid in there. So, and I'm going to leave it for a few minutes. Okay, friend, our potato is ready for this. 70% is ready potato, yeah. So now I'm gonna put spinach in there. I'm gonna slice spinach, and then I'm gonna put in there. Okay, friend, now I'm gonna slice my spinach. Oh, it's better to slice it. You can put all whole spinach, but it's better to make it slice it. Okay, friend, I chopped the spinach. Now I'm gonna put this in the potato. And it's a very nice smell. People was asking when I'm gonna do any vegetarian dish. So now it's vegetarian dish. Okay, now I'm gonna put this lid on top. Let it cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna mix it. Okay, friend, this see, this all is gone down. I'm gonna just mix this. And the other thing is, you put salt and chili according to your need. Okay? And if you guys don't eat hot, so don't put chili and put all other masalas. And it's same or salt. according to your need. So I'm gonna leave this for cook a few minutes, and then I'm gonna put peas in there. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put peas in there. Yeah, I'm gonna mix this all again, and I'm cooking on slow heat. Okay, now I'm gonna put peas in there. I'm putting more because I like peas. Just mix this. Look at this, in a beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna leave this for cook for a few minutes, and while it is cooking, I'm gonna put some coriander and mint in there. I'm gonna chop this coriander or mint. It's very thin slices. I'm doing it. Yeah. That's enough. This coriander. Again, same. Make thin slices. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some coriander in there. And I'm gonna put some lemon. I'm gonna put this fresh lemon. And now I'm gonna mix this up. And it will give you fantastic flavor. And I'm just gonna leave it cook for a few minutes until my potato get very soft. Okay friend, this is ready. Now you're gonna take this in a dish. This is a potato, spinach, and peas. So you can have with the naan, roti, or you can have with the rice. So what do you think? It's very nice or very delicious. So okay friend, what do you think about this? It's very nice, very delicious. But if you like it, please let me know in your in comment section. And you must try at home. It's a total vegetarian dish. So let me know what do you think about it. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.